Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction is the Somali Tik Tok between two Somali girls. So tell me which one you like. This is a two Somali famous girl. It's two TikToker from Somalia. This is beautiful girls from Somalia. If you like, so tell me in comment section which girl you like and which are more beautiful. So don't forget to share this video. Must share, must subscribe, and must comment. You are watching our reaction video. My name is Now. So let's check out. Wow. Somali Tik Tok. Wow. She's so beautiful. Like white. I know you're cute. Wow.
جويقي دورا ديش فرحتي دوناي دار نلشي دارا هاديقة هلام بيداوي ولا بدن كجليستي ودنا حدي خيديالا هذا وربشكو فير جعيل هذا يبلو ينور شعيون
She's so cute with red dress, you know? Wow.
وعلن توبة وتعانو بوغي وحيا قلبي قار لدكتي الله إلهي واتنلي نيسو إن الحروني وقوش نعكن حديدا على أوريني حنوشي معا لقا حفالتن
He's so cute. Why you sleep?
Love, love, I love you. Love, 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 I love you.
أضاء مرو ستين أكو سيرا يا هوي ميانكو سكسيجيا عميانكو سيرا يا هوي ميانكو سكسيجيا dushadan saaraya
So yummy. Oh. Okay guys, it's really amazing. They both are girl from Somalia. They both are beautiful. I like this both girl. I really enjoyed this video. This is the Somali TikTok. It's really famous in Somalia. If you like, so make sure you subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share this video. Must like, must comment in below. So love you all. Take care. Bye bye.